Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to make a waterfall braid. So first, you're going to want to split a piece of hair like this on the top, all the way like this. I'm going to use a pencil to do that. And split a piece of our hair and just pin it down. Just relax and pin it like that. Now you're going to take here like a section in the front. Sorry, I'm covering it with this. And you're going to start braiding normally. Braid nicely, but not too tight, because you won't be able to do what I want to do. You can make it longer, shorter, it's up to you. Now hold this, please. Here, up here, and hold it. I'm going to now take a small ponytail folder. Actually, it's kind of made for braids, like this. Make it really small. So I would suggest 2, so they won't break. And you just take a piece of hair from here, so it will hold like that. Like that. And just put it like that. It's not very strong, but I'm going to put it like that later also. Actually, yeah. So, the next thing you want to take is this. You can find it at Sally's Beauty Supplies. And now you take the piece of her hair that you pinned like that. Like this one. Take a small section like this. Put it through the big part right here. And just pull it through the braid. Like that. You're going to do that with the rest. But again, through. And this again, through this. And pull through. So you have a waterfall braid like this. Thanks for watching.